Yeah, hello fans, this is Jeromekeys music. So today I want to teach you this saxophone melody. So I'm going to play it first, then I'm going to show you all what I was playing. So just watch and learn. So what I was playing is very simple, okay? So the key I'm on is on F sharp, like I'm playing on F sharp. But the main key of what I was playing here is on E flat. In case you want to rehearse it, I want it to sound the same key, is on E flat, but I'll be doing the tutorial on F sharp, okay? Doing it on F sharp. So I started this way. In case you are not playing on F sharp, don't panic because I will call out the note of what I'm playing. So you can apply it to your key. You can see, I go to F. I go to F, it will still sound the same. Okay, it will sound the same. So let's just go on F sharp. So let me call out the notes and take it gradually so you can learn. I played mi do re ta la do, mi do re ta la do, re ti do la so ta la, okay, la ta, do la ta la so, la ta la so. Guys, la ta la so fa mi so fa, la ta la so fa mi so fa, re mi fa so ti, fa mi so. Okay, just like this. Mi do re ta la do re ti do la so ta la do. That's the second one. I started mi do re ta la do re ti do la so ta la do fa mi so fa re mi fa so ti fa mi so. Mi do re ta la do re ti do la so ta la do fa mi so fa re mi fa la. Mi fa so do ti so mi fa. Okay, and play mi fa la do ti so mi fa. Then you can go do ti re, do ti re, do ti re ti do so ta la mi so fa. So I went octave. This is octave, okay? So do ti re ti do so ta la mi so fa. So ti so fa mi so ta la fa mi so fa. Okay. Do ti re ti do so ta la mi so fa. Do ti so mi so ta la ta la. Okay. you can play something after you run your solo. You can just end it with that's your so do mi. Okay, that's your so do mi. Then your so tare, tare. For can just be doing something. Okay, thank you so much. Please make sure you subscribe, share, and like, and also comment. God bless you all.